To activate your NetSpend debit card, follow these steps. Receive your card. Once you receive your NetSpend debit card, ensure it is safe and secure. Call the activation number. On the front of your card, you will find an activation phone number. Call this number from your mobile phone or landline to begin the activation process. Enter your card information. You will be prompted to enter the 16-digit card number printed on the front of your card. Follow the prompts to verify your personal information. Create a PIN. You will be asked to create a PIN for your debit card. This PIN will be used for ATM withdrawals, purchases, and other card transactions. Choose a secure 4-digit PIN and confirm it. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message indicating your card is ready for use. You can now start using your NetSpend debit card for purchases and withdrawals. Activate online. You can also activate your card online by visiting the NetSpend website and following the prompts to enter your card details and PIN.